Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut's AI for automatic subtitles and captions. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut. Now I'm going to click on Create New Project. And I'm going to import a video that I would like to add automatic subtitles and captions to. So I'm going to click Import. Click on a project I've been working on for my next tutorial. Now I'm going to drag this to my timeline. So if I press play, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto reframe inside. You can see there's no captions on there yet. So in order to add captions, we need to go up to the left here where it says media. I need to click onto text. And on the left hand side we've got different tabs. We've got add text, default, etc. Click on auto captions. And now it says here recognize speech in the video and generate auto captions. So you can choose what language you want these automatic captions. So I'm English, so I'm going to choose English. You can also clear current subtitles if there are any currently on your video. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on create. And now depending on how fast your internet speed is and how quick your PC or laptop runs at, should take only half a minute, and depending how long your video is too, so just give that a few moments to load. And now once it's done that, we want to come up to the right. So it says text basic. We can change the font, so I'll press play on this video so you can see what it currently looks like. In this video I'm going to show you how to auto reframe inside a CapCut on PC. So it's a pretty plain and boring text. So to make this look better and stand out in your videos, what we can do is go text basic. Next to basic we've got templates on the right hand side of the tab, and we've got a few templates to pick from, so just pick one you like. Some of these are behind a paywall, so you need CapCut Pro in order to enable any one of these Pro features. I will leave a link in the description below where you can check out CapCut Pro on a free 7-day trial. They do have a couple of free ones here, so we can see what these look like. So we've got this one here, and subscribe to my channel. Or we got this one here. Let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do. But yeah, they're pretty plain. So yeah, if you want ones that stand out and pop, you will need CapCut Pro, unfortunately. So let's check out this one I like. Then from here, I'm going to click on import, and now I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm going to use just a random video inside my downloads. Yeah, so that's it guys, how to use CapCut AI automatic subtitles and captions on PC.